Planning a move from Columbus to Johns Creek? Whether you're relocating for work, family, or a fresh start, one of the first questions most people ask is simple: how much will the move cost? The distance between Columbus and Johns Creek plays a major role in the estimate. Even when the move is within the region, movers still factor in mileage, travel time, fuel, and the route needed to complete the job safely. A small apartment will usually cost less to move than a larger home. The more furniture, boxes, appliances, and personal items you have, the more labor and truck space your move may require. Packing services are convenient, especially if you're busy or handling fragile items. But packing materials, boxes, wrapping, and professional packing time can affect the final moving quote. Access at both locations can also change the price. Stairs, elevators, long walks from the truck, narrow streets, or limited parking can make loading and unloading take more time. If you have a piano, safe, oversized furniture, antiques, gym equipment, or fragile electronics, mention those early. Special items may need extra movers, equipment, or careful handling. Moving during weekends, holidays, or the end of the month can be busier. Booking early can help you compare options, secure your preferred date, and avoid rushed decisions. Before choosing a mover, ask what the quote includes. Look for details like labor, transportation, fuel, packing supplies, basic coverage, and any possible extra charges. A lower estimate can look attractive, but price should not be the only factor. Pay attention to communication, moving experience, service options, and whether the company can handle your specific move. For more information about Columbus to Johns Creek moving costs and planning your relocation, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.